Hi, I'm Tony Munter. I'm an attorney here at Price Benowitz, and I'm going to talk today a little bit about the statute of limitations under the Federal False Claims Act. The general rule for an individual plaintiff suing under this act in a matter involving fraud committed against the United States government is 6 years. So if you've got a case that's older than 6 years, it's going to be a little bit difficult to file a case and win and obtain any kind of reward if it's older than that period of time. The federal government has its own statute of limitations, which is 10 years as long as the government had no reason to know about the action within the last 3 years. That's a different law. It applies especially to the federal government. On the other hand, there's one more statute of limitations that you should be aware of, and that is for retaliation claims. There's a 3-year statute of limitations that applies. So if you want to sue also for being retaliated against while being involved in a case of fraud against the government, the statute of limitations is now 3 years under the Federal False Claims Act. Those are the general rules. Of course, there are lots of different specifics, lots of different facts that have to be considered when making a case under the False Claims Act. Another general rule to consider, though, is that there's no point in waiting. Your evidence will be harder to prove. It'll be more difficult to make your case the longer you wait to file it. Still, the general rule to remember, 6 years statute of limitations under the Federal False Claims Act.